the 2012 Ford Escape. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and cruise control. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.